Do you know there's a single code you can use on your Fire Stick to get all the best sports channels as well as live channels on your device without having to pay any fee? And the whole setup process is actually really easy too and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that amazing app to your Fire Stick device. And the very first step is actually you gotta get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. So if you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then you should follow me here. So firstly, we go to the search bar on your Fire Stick. Here it is, we open the search and start typing downloader in a search bar. And now, as you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You'll click on downloader and here's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet because obviously you still have to set it up. So now, in order to set up downloader on the Fire Stick, we need to go to the settings on your device. To access settings, you select that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and here you will need to turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see now, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So we go back to the list of apps in the Fire Stick. Here it is, open it, wait a moment, and now there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost only a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Austria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on the Fire Stick, open it up, wait a moment for it to load, and now it's time to access Downloader. So open the Downloader app on the Fire Stick, and now you see this big search bar, which has appeared on your screen. So you have to enter it, and a virtual keyboard will appear. We'll use it to enter a code, which will allow us to download the app to your Fire Stick device. The code is going to be 7278004. So once again, it's 7278004. That is the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously, if you make a mistake, then the code will not work for you. Then you click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And sometimes this code might not work, so if this happens for you and the link doesn't load properly, in that case we will have to enter another link. So you'll click on home again, erase that code, and instead of it, we'll be entering a different one. And now the code is going to be 7735972. So once again, it's 7735972. That's the code you have to enter, and then just click on next. So we click on go, and now this website has loaded fine for us. And when it opens, you gotta click on download for Android. And now the download the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. Click on install then, and now the app will finish installing to the Fire TV stick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then when you go to the list of apps on your device, you'll open it, and here's this new application which we just got for you. So now first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines right next to the home button on your remote. So click on it, and a menu will pop out on the right side of your screen. Click on move to front, and this way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. This way it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the app, and in here you'll get access to live TV as well as live sports channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.